Hello dosto, hope today you are doing well. Today we are talking about evolutions of management sciences from 90s to 2000. Let's start it. Classical theory 90s to 93s. This era saw the development of scientific management techniques with a focus on efficiencies and the principle of divisions of labors, hierarchies, and authority. Behavior management theory 1930s to 1940s. This era emphasized the human aspect of organizations and the importance of employee motivations. It led to the development of human resource management and the recognition of the rules of leadership in management in organizations. Quantitative management theory 1950s to 1960s. This phase saw the development of mathematical and statistical models to help make management decisions. Operations research, linear programming, and network analysis were among the techniques developed in this phase. System theory 1960s to 1970s. This phase focused on viewing organizations as a complex system made up of interrelated parts. This theory emphasized the importance of considering the whole system rather than just individual parts in decisions making. Contingency theories 1970s to 1980s. This phase recognized that there is no one best way to manage and that the best approach depends on the situation. This theory emphasized the importance of being flexible and adaptable in management decisions making. 1980s to 1990s. Total quality management. This phase emphasized the importance of continuous improvements and customer satisfaction in the workplace. 90s to 2000s. Knowledge management. This phase recognized the importance of managing knowledge as a valuable resource in the organization. The development of information technology and the rise of internet also influenced this space. Sustainability and social responsibility 2000s present. This space recognized the importance of considering the importance of organizations on society and the environment. Theories in this space include corporate social responsibility and sustainable management. These phases reflect the changing views and approaches to management over time as new ideas and perspectives emerge. So thank you so much. If you want more videos, so please subscribe our channels. Thank you.